Hey, today I moved some firewood from outside on a couple pellets over to my woodshed, just across the way. And now I gotta take these old T-posts out of the ground. Have you ever had trouble taking T-posts out of the ground? You know how hard they can be to pull. They kind of lock themselves into the dirt. Here's a little trick that I've used that it's pretty easy. You just take the T-post pounder itself. You just push the post forward until it locks on one of the teeth. And just give it a pull backwards. Sorry, I was filming it one-handed. And you just keep moving it down the tooth like a ratchet. And it comes right out. Easy as that.